Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Open Settings and go straight to General About to get the model number and serial. This is essential. Once done, dial *#06# or remove the SIM tray to view the IMEI and copy it precisely. This verifies hardware ID. Make sure you have Wi-Fi if you need online lookup and at least 20% battery to avoid interruptions. I'm walking you through why each identifier matters, because the model and serial encode manufacturing info that we'll decode next. With the serial and model in hand, locate the manufacturing code. Typically characters 3 to 5 in the serial indicate year and week. This is why copying exactly matters. Next, check the model prefix to confirm country or factory assignment and device family. That narrows the search. If you want precision, cross-reference those codes against Apple support or an updated offline table. This translates codes into a concrete production date. Keep notes: one wrong digit leads to a wrong week. After mapping, confirm the production week and year against the model mapping to get the final manufacturing date. This gives you the day range those codes represent. If the numbers don't match expected ranges, recheck the serial and IMEI. Mistyped characters are the most common mistake. For refurbished or carrier-locked units, use the purchase receipt or Apple service history to verify. And if you still can't resolve it, contact Apple support with the serial. Explain what you tried and request verification.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.